So this turkey is not Christmas turkey here. It's just a turkey and a turkey neck. It's just turkey and turkey neck. Not sure how I want to cook this turkey, but God bless all the turkeys out. See how big this turkey is. That's one huge turkey. It's too big. And do you see this red little dot there? That's actually thermometer that they do put in turkey. So when the turkey is cooked and it's ready, that little red thermometer pops off. And that's going to tell you that turkey is done. Done, 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 done. So this is like a mechanic way to cook a turkey. you cook it in you do not just dump it in the oil. So you make sure to actually boil it and make sure it's soft, and then you fry it. So when you fry it, this is what you get from frying the turkey. Fry those bad boys and make them shrink in the oil. Oh, it smells good. It smells good. I hope you enjoy my cooking. This is kind of fancy cooking for today. What day is it? Wednesday? Thursday? Whatever. But anyway, that's the turkey cooking for today. I'm actually frying it in the fryer. Deep frying those bad boys. What the turkey turned into? You want to see what that turkey turned into? So this is it for you. This is what that turkey turned into. That's the turkey fried. Turkey fried.